Hola, hola. Welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week. Subscribe. Today we'll continue learning about Spanish adjectives and how to use them to describe people. And this video is the continuation of the previous video discussing adjectives. So if you haven't watched the other video, watch this one and then check the link so that you can also view the previous video, which will help you to learn the most commonly used adjectives in the Spanish language. But before that, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. But if you already subscribed, I extend you a warm invitation to consider subscribing to my premium membership. You'll gain access to additional videos, downloadable PDF printables in the community tab. So think about it, for less than a cup of coffee, you'll gain access to additional perks and benefits. Okay, so the learning objectives for today. Students will enhance their vocabulary to describe people by learning and using new adjectives. So that's precisely what we're going to do today. And the success criteria: students will be able to improve their adjective word choice when they describe people by using the newly acquired vocabulary. Very straightforward, very simple. Número uno, inteligente. Like that guy with the glasses. Inteligente means intelligent. That guy looks pretty smart. Inteligente. Can you say it? Inteligente. El profesor es muy inteligente. The professor is very intelligent. Repeat after me. El profesor es muy inteligente. Excelente. Keep it up. Keep up the good work. Repeat, repeat, repeat. That will make you improve your pronunciation. Joven. Joven means young. Joven. Can you say joven? Joven, like that girl waving. Carmen es joven. Carmen is young. Carmen es joven. Joven means young. Repeat after me. Carmen es joven. Siguiente, next. Malo. Oh, this guy is muy malo. Bad. Malo if it's a male, like this guy here, or mala if the bad person is a female. Malo. Can you say malo? Wow, look at him. He's malo. All right, let's see an example. El bandido es muy malo. The bandit is very bad. El bandido es muy malo. Look at the sentence. You can almost translate word by word. Actually, you can translate it word by word. El bandido es muy malo. This is a new adjective for you. Moreno or morena, which means dark. This girl is morena. Moreno, dark boy or dark man. Repeat after me. Moreno. La chica morena es muy atractiva. The dark girl is very attractive. La chica, the dark girl, morena, dark, es muy atractiva, is very attractive. La chica morena es muy atractiva. Excelente, let's continue. Pequeño o pequeña, that means small. Pequeño. When I teach in the classroom, I usually do this with my palms. Pequeño. 3 syllables, simple, easy. Pequeño. Mi gato es pequeño. My cat is small. Like this cat here. Mi gato es pequeño. Soon she'll start meowing. It's almost dinner time for my gato. Mi gato es pequeño. Pobre. That means poor. Pobre. Can you pronounce that word? Pobre. Now join it together. Both syllables. Pobre. Pobre. Let's see an ejemplo. Luis es pobre. Luis is poor. Luis es pobre. Pobre. Repeated. Repetition. Very important. Pobre. Luis es pobre. Siguiente ejemplo. Wow, now who do we have here? Wow, this guy is popular. Popular. Look at him, even his teeth shine. Popular. Spell exactly the same as in English. It's obviously a Latin word. But in Spanish, we say popular. It's a soccer player like Paul Maradona that passed away yesterday. But he'll still be popular. He was such a good soccer player. Ronaldo es muy popular o Maradona es muy popular. 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 Can you say it? Popular. Usually, sports stars are also very popular. Rico or rica, that means rich, like this lady. Wow, she's got a private jet. She is rica. Ella es rica. Now, if you struggle pronouncing the R's in Spanish, like R, you can always say rica or rico. Some Spanish countries pronounce the R a little bit softer. Violeta es muy rica. Violet is very rich. Violeta es muy rica. So this lady's name is Violeta and she's muy rica. Did you see the private jet she's got? Rica, yeah. Rubio or rubia. That means blonde. So this girl is rubia. Rubia or rubia if you struggle with the R. Rubio, rubia. Blonde. Now let's see an ejemplo. Ejemplo means example. Paula. Paula is rubia. Paula is blonde. So this girl using the teléfono es rubia. She's having a good conversation, Paula. Siguiente. Next one. Tonto o tonta. Tonto means dumb. So you can call somebody tonto, like, so tonto is like dumb or silly. You can also use it jokingly, like saying, oh, don't be tonto, don't be silly. But it can also be offensive. It depends also in the intonation and the emphasis of your word. You can say jokingly, haha, Patricio es tonto. Or you can say, Patricio es tonto. You get what I'm saying. Patrick is dumb. He likes smacking around, or Patrick is really dumb. Siguiente ejemplo. Trabajador o trabajadora. That means hard worker or hardworking, a hardworking person. Trabajador. So that's trabajador. 4 syllables. Trabajador. Esmeralda es muy trabajadora. Emerald is very hardworking. So this girl here es muy trabajadora. She's got a big smile. Hey, hola, she's waving at you. Siguiente. Now, this word is a 2-syllable word and is triste, sad. Oh, that poor boy. He is triste. Triste. Make sure you pronounce the T very softly. The T is not as strong sounding as in English and in Spanish. El muchacho triste. The sad boy. El muchacho triste. I think there is a Spanish song called El muchacho triste. It was a classic a long time ago. It's a beautiful song. El muchacho triste. Viejo o vieja. That means old. Viejo or vieja, like this poor man is sleeping. I'm not that old, but sometimes I feel like him. And I'm sure we all do after a long day. Viejo, vieja. Okay, so time to do a task. See if you can write 10 sentences using the previous adjectives in Spanish. Very simple. I'm sure you can do it. I got confidence in you. You can do it. Come on, give it a try. Pause the video and do the exercise. I'll see you soon. Excelente. So now homework. Create a poster of yourself and write down 5 main adjectives that describe you physically as well as your personality. So think about some of the objectives and describe yourself. Excelente amigos, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me to continue producing free videos for you. I thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for all the support that you've been giving my channel. Please take care, my friend, and get ready for my next video. Learn Spanish while you sleep, coming up very soon. So click the bell so you don't miss out. Muy bien, amigos, have a lovely weekend and I'll see you soon. Adiós.